Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone green screen problem. There are multiple steps. Step 1. Press and release your volume plus button, and then press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, which means you have successfully force restarted your iPhone. Force restart can help your iPhone with knockouts and temporary glitches. When your phone restarts, you can check if your problem has been resolved. If your problem is not fixed, then you can try adjusting your display settings, or you can update your iOS version, check for app updates, uninstall recently installed apps, and reset all settings. But if you're facing a permanent green screen on your iPhone, you can always visit Apple Store or any other authorized service stations for professional help. Sometimes the issue is very simple to resolve. You can also try go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down until you see display and brightness. Click on it. You can try adjusting your brightness and make sure to turn on the toggle called True Tone. Sometimes this simple solution can help you. If all of the mentioned solutions doesn't work for you, you can always try, and it is the last step, which is factory reset your iPhone. If you don't want to wipe all of your precious data, then you can always try reset all settings. It will help your iPhone to reset to the default settings, but without wiping your personal data. And hopefully by following my steps, you can resolve the green screen issue on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.